All right, here we are. Another opportunity we could not pass up. Giant mountain of junk versus Scx24 Death Edition. Got really stuck yesterday. Let's see how far we can go. Oh man, I could be using some brass weights right now. It'd be helping me out. But I don't have any. Look at us go. Uh-oh, that's not the way to go. Rock there, slowing us down. Oh man, we're so far. We're so far up the hill. I see my path. Oh, I can't make it. I'm almost up. Oh, I'm going back down. Oh, we're dead. Let's try again. King of the hammers. Stuck. What else can we come up with here? Let's go over here. Maybe we'll get a sweet driver coming through this stop sign at 100 miles an hour. We get that usually every day. Yep, no stop. Why would we stop? You give a shit about a stop sign. Woo! Up and down the berm. So that's about as high as we can get, I think, without any weights, because we get no traction up the top of the hill there. But that's it. That's pretty cool, though. We rolled down the top, That's a bone stock Scx24 and about 4.5 feet of slag rock, and we got about 3 feet up it. How about that?